Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. Do you find it difficult to find the perfect tint of color, foundation, just something that gives you that filtered look? Well, look no further because the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator is the miracle makeup. So a very little bit goes a long way with this makeup. It's very pigmented, and just that little dot that I put covers all of my skin. I definitely feel like this is somewhere in between a CC cream and foundation, yet it's super light, it's moisturizing, and I just love the dewy finish that it leaves on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel greasy whatsoever. It's just very moisturizing, and it gives your skin that finish, flawless look. But wait, would you like to see a before and after? I think you can see here that it really just gives me that pop of color. My skin looks brighter, and I am super happy with it. So if you are looking for the perfect tinted moisturizer, I definitely would recommend this. It is such a great deal. The friend that actually recommended it to me told me she used to use all kinds of name brand expensive makeups until she found this, and she has never gone back. It truly gives you that flawless look, and that is my point of view.